Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I greet you all and I hope you're doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my braids, half cornrows. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. I'm going to be using Abuja lines braiding hair, and I went with short. So let's begin. When you're parting your own hair, you always need to have a mirror that you can use to watch the behind of your head. If you don't, that is, if you don't have another device for mirroring process. So now I'm gonna be preparing my braiding hair. This is how I prep it before I start braiding. It saves me a lot of time, much more time. So for each braid, I'm going to be needing 3 strands or 3 legs of hair, but you can use as much, you can add as much as you prefer. But I wanted them to be short. Okay, so now here comes the parting again. Yeah. So grabbing the roots of our parted section, we are going to be separating it into 3 parts, okay, or 3 legs. And as we're going to be working with them, that is first braiding our own hair without adding the piece. Then next I'm going to be adding my first piece, and this is how I grab it, and I go ahead and start braiding 1-2 times. Then I add the second one, I braid 1 2, and then I add the third one. Okay, so yeah, then after that I'm just going to braid all the way. I didn't braid it all the way down because I wanted to do some curls at the end of my braid, so I left a couple of inches on the braid. So at the end of it, I'm going to be tying a knot in the that is to secure it in place so it doesn't unravel. Yeah,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm done with the back part, and that is the braiding, the box braids part. So we are moving to the cornrows. Over, what was she doing there? So now we are going to be moving to the cornrows, and this is how I'm gonna put it. Love you guys. So the one of the keys to doing your own hair is to always put the hair you're not working with out of your way. That way you won't be having hair sticking into the braids, strands of hair sticking into the braid you're working with. So again, I'm going to go ahead and prep my hair for the cornrows. I did small ones and big ones. Big ones, I'll be adding them to the end of the braid, and we are going to begin with the small ones. So yeah, let's do the braids, the cornrows.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.